Hello viewers, followers, friends, etc. It's Francis Jeffrey coming to you again from South Bend, Indiana. This time I'm outside of Kevin's Tree and Landscaping Services of Michiana. I hope I got the name right. I will never ever forget this business. The reason being, I actually discovered this place shortly after finally obtaining both my driver's license and my car, which happens to be the vehicle that you see right there. And I finally was able to get out of South Bend a lot more often for photography purposes, and I decided to drive this direction one day, and as soon as I got to the border of South Bend and Crumbstown, I came across this place. And I just absolutely had to pop in and ask for permission to walk all over the property and get all of the photos and video and everything that I wanted. And they said sure. So I've been coming back to this place for photo shoots. And if you're the type of person that likes to decorate your yard and also put plants in your garden and this, that, and the other thing, this is the place to go to for that around here. They've got really amazing decor. Later today, I'm going to try to do a video of the interior of this place. Part of the reason I decided on across the street from here being the location for the video was so that the viewers could watch the trucks and everything go by and get an idea of the demographic of people that are associated with this neck of the woods, so that the viewer can get a better idea of the kind of person that would make purchases at a store like this. And you can see from all of the trucks that are coming and going that this is right on the border of the farming community. Some of the photos that I've taken of this place are already on my 500px profile, but there's a lot more coming in the future. once this person moves out of the way, I'm going to show an interesting perspective to photograph this store from, and that perspective is this perspective right here, or a perspective similar to it, and that is because the arrows in the street pointing all different directions lead the viewer's eye up to the store itself. So it's like it's saying, no matter where you go in life, please wind up here. You would have to get real low in order to prevent that wire from cutting off that giraffe's head. But still, that's a very interesting concept. I'll probably try to get a photograph like that at some point when the sun is shining on the building better. I don't think that that's going to be today because the sun sets that direction. Wow, there's an interesting shot. You would have to very meticulously make sure that the telephone pole doesn't get in the photo. But from this vantage point, if you zoom in just a little bit, you can get a photo which says Kevin's Tree and Landscaping Incorporated of Michiana with the American flag in the background. That wire is a distracting element, but there's not anything that you can do about it. And sometimes distracting elements are just going to be in the photo no matter what. Ooh, there's an interesting lawn ornament that someone has out in their yard. I might take a photo similar to this as soon as I'm done with the video. That is an insanely interesting photograph to take because of how the branches will be out of focus, which in turn creates this strange effect of like some psychic reading or something like that, causing the statue that looks scary to have magical powers. I think I'm just gonna simply get a better view of this greenhouse here. And yeah, I guess that's the end of the video. I hope you all got an interesting tutorial of how I see the world around me as a professionally trained photographer. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye.